So there are several ways you can actually open up different apps in Google Chrome. So once you've logged in, and you can tell when you're logged in because you've got your icon in the corner, next to that button is what I call the Rubik's Cube of apps. If you click on that, then you're going to see all of the different apps that you can access. Okay. Notice Google Classroom is at the bottom. So this is one of the apps that you would use. So we can click on Google Classroom. That's going to open up another tab. And notice when you are in any of the apps on Google, you still have the Rubik's Cube of apps here. So I can now click on Google Drive, and that's going to open up Google Drive. Okay. I can also open up any of the other apps here, Gmail, Google Docs, etc., etc. Another way to open these apps is by opening a new tab and then type in the app followed by google.com. So classroom.google.com. That will open up Google Classroom. Again, we can do the same for meet.google.com. That's going to open up Google Meets. And finally, let's try sheets.google.com. That's going to open up Google Sheets. So any of the apps that you're using, you can just prefix google.com by the name of that app.